Hello dear students, I hope you all are fine. Today I'm going to pick the chapter narration, chapter number 2, practice book DAV English class 8th. Again, this is a demanded video, and through this video you can complete your practice book. I am not explaining worksheet number 1 or 2 because I have already explained this topic narration in a very comprehensive way in my previous video. I will link that video in the I button. You can watch that, understand narration, their rules, whatever is wanted, whatever you should know to change direct to indirect, that is given in that video. Plus you can go through worksheet number 1 and worksheet number 2. In both the worksheet, comprehensive and explained explanation detail is given about narration and its rules. So we are going to start with the worksheet number 1. And please remember, my dear children, I won't be able to write the answer of the whole sentence on the screen because that's not possible. Moreover, it will make the video very long. So I will only underlining the words which we are going to change while making the direct into indirect speech. Fine. So first is, the Prime Minister has announced a relief package for the farmers, said the reporter. So in every given direct sentence, the first thing which we have to notice, which we have to see is reporting verb. This is known as reporting verb. Fine. This is known as reporting verb, and I have told it in a very good way, in a very comprehensive way in my previous video, that what is a reporting clause, what is reported clause, what is reporting verb, what is the importance of reporting verb in narration. Though narration is not a difficult topic of English, but it is a complex topic of English because it has a lot of rules which you have to learn, which I generally don't say, but you have to learn them by heart so that you can change direct into indirect easily. Fine. So here we have the reporting verb in past tense, said, past tense. So whenever we have the reporting verb in past tense, we do make the changes of tense in the reported clause. Now this is the reported clause which is in inverted commas. Okay. So the answer of this is, the reporter told that the Prime Minister had announced a relief package for the farmers. Sorry, the reporter said that, not told. The reporter said that the Prime Minister had announced a relief package for the farmers. Now we will change this into had. Why? Because the tense is present perfect and it will change into past perfect. So it will become had. No other change is needed in this answer, only this one. The reporter said, we'll bring it in the front of the sentence. The reporter said that, this comma will change into that. The reporter said that the Prime Minister had announced a relief package for the farmers. Dear children, I am again and again saying you that you won't be able to understand these worksheets if you don't know any rule or regulation of the narration. Fine. If you want to understand that how I am writing these answers, you need to go through the previous video in which I have explained the rules of narration, or if you don't want to watch the video, please go through worksheet number 1 and 2. Only then you will be able to understand that how I am doing the answers of worksheet number 3. Otherwise it's a wastage of time for you. Next is, Mohit says, I will invite all my friends to my birthday party. In this, the reporting verb says is in present tense. It means we will not make the changes of tense in the reported clause. This is a reported clause which is in inverted comma. Fine. So we will not make the changes of, we will not do the changes of tense. We will only make changes in the pronouns. Fine. So it will become, Mohit says that he will invite all his friends to his birthday party. In place of this comma, we will write that. In place of I, we will write he according to Mohit. My will become his, and my birthday party will become his birthday party. Okay. Next is, Amar said to Priya, my class teacher has agreed to grant me 2 weeks leave. In this, reporting clause is in past tense plus there is a preposition to, so it will change into told. Amar told Priya, this comma will change into that his class teacher, his means Amar's class teacher, fine, Amar's class teacher, his class teacher had agreed, this is present perfect, it will change into past perfect, had agreed to grant him, may will change into him, 2 weeks leave. Okay. Next is Rajesh told to Kusum, I lost my mobile phone yesterday. Again, reporting verb is in past plus preposition to, it will become told. Rajesh told Kusum that he had lost his mobile phone the previous day. I will change into he according to Rajesh. Fine. He had lost, because why we have used the word had? Because this sentence, this reported clause is already in past tense. It is already in past tense because yesterday is given. Fine. It means it is already in past tense. Fine. So we will change into past perfect. If the reported clause is already in past, we will change into past perfect. So it will become Rajesh told Kusum that he had lost his mobile phone the previous day या फिर the day before. Next is Ritu said to Aman, you have not finished your homework yet. Again, a reporting clause is in past plus the preposition to, it will become told. Ritu told Aman that he had not, you will become he. He had not. Now you is the pronoun of the second person, it will change according to the object, that is Aman. He had not finished his homework yet. Fine. Had finished is present perfect, it will change into past perfect. So he had not finished his homework yet. Please remember one thing, I have told in the previous video also, that whenever you change direct into indirect, the meaning should not change. The meaning of both the sentences should remain absolutely same. Okay, only then your answer is correct. If the meaning is changing after changing direct into indirect, it means your answer is wrong. Next is Pawan said, we have bought a new house. We are shifting to the new house next week. Again, a reporting verb is in past tense. So we'll make the changes. Pawan told that they, we will change into they. Have bought, again present perfect will change into past perfect. Had bought a new house. We are shifting. Now here we have present continuous tense, it will become past continuous. They are shifting to the new house the next week. Okay. Pawan said that they had bought a new house. They were shifting to the new house next week. Mother said, I am glad you have reached home on time. The weather is getting really bad. Mother said, now again reporting verb is in past tense. Okay, so we'll make the changes accordingly. So mother said that she, I will change according to the first person pronoun hai, it will change according to the subject of the reporting clause. So it will become she. And I am is present tense, will change it into past. Mother said that she was glad that they had H-A-D had, they had reached home on time. The weather was getting, is getting will change into was getting really bad. Next is Manya says, I love staying at my grandma's house. She tells me nice stories and takes me to the park. She also cooks my favorite pasta. So it will become Manya says that she loves. Now here reporting verb is in present tense. So we will not do the changes of tense. We will only do the changes of pronoun. So I will change into she because Manya is the name of a girl. She loves, because she is a singular. In present tense with singular we put s with the main verb. So she loves staying at her grandma's house. She tells her, me will change into her nice stories and takes her to the park. She also cooks her favorite pasta. Okay. Next is, the cricketer said to the reporter, I have always played earnestly for my country. I have put my country's honor and my team's interest above everything else. I'm thankful to the people of the country who have always shown faith in my abilities. Again, reporting verb is in past tense. It will change into to, because there is a preposition to. It will change into told. The cricketer told the reporter. Okay. Now it's a assumed thing that cricketer will be taken as a male, so we'll change I into he. Okay. And have always played, this is present perfect, it will change into past perfect. The cricketer told the reporter, these are the changes, told the reporter he had always played, have will change into had, had always played earnestly for his country. He had put his, my will change into his country's honor and his team's interest above everything else. I am thankful, it will change into he was thankful. So he was thankful to the people of the country. He was thankful to the people of the country who had always shown faith in his abilities. Okay, who had always shown faith in his abilities. Ramit said to Ashu, I'm sorry I cannot give you the book this weekend. I gave the book for photocopying on Thursday, but the shopkeeper says he will take at least 5 days to photocopy the whole book. Now again it will change into told. Ramit told Ashu. Okay. Ramit told Ashu that he, I will change according to the subject of the reporting clause. ठीक है. He was sorry. He could not give him the book that weekend. I will change into he. There is already past tense gave, so it will change into past perfect. He had given the book for photocopying on Thursday, but the shopkeeper says will change into said, that he would, will change into would. He would take at least 5 days to photocopy the whole book. Okay, so here finishes worksheet number 3. I hope you have understood it. If you have any query, please ask in the comment section. Rest I'll be covering in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.